Hi Doc Adesh. Allow me to repeat to you po yung na-present ko sa inyo last time. Don't worry, I'll make sure na 10 minutes lang po ito, just like what I have promised to you. So ito nga po yung plan na madalas kong i-recommend sa mga doctors na kagaya ninyo. Ito po yung tinatawag na Secure Income. So you have this option po if you want to pay it na 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years. Now, dun po sa kwentuhan natin last time, ang napili nyo po is 10 years. So ito po, labas ko na po yung pagka-fine arts ko. So, 30 years old po kayo. Ang insurance coverage nyo po dito is hanggang age 100. Dahil nga po 10 years sa pay na pili ninyo, hanggang 40 years lang po kayo maghuhulog. So ito po yung paying period. Now, nung tinanong ko po kayo magkano po yung gusto nyo na payout, ang nabanggit nyo po is 120,000. For us to have a 120,000 yearly payout, ang base amount po na i-design natin is 2 million. Pero ang insurance po na isa-set up natin is 4 million. Ibig sabihin po, 200% po siya ng face amount. Yan. Ganyan po kasi design yung plan. Now, for the payout, ito nga po siya. By the time that you reach 36 years old, you have 120,000 yearly payout. And then, ayan. So, every year po, as long as kayo po ay nabubuhay, you have this 120,000 yearly payout. So, by the time that you have your own family and dumating po sa point na magkaroon na kayo ng anak, so you can set aside this amount for his or her educational savings or kung gusto nyo po pang travel. So, ayan, 5 years pa lang po tayo naghuhulog. Meron na po tayong, 5 years pa lang po tayo naghuhulog. Meron na tayong return of investment. 6 year pala. Okay, allow me to correct myself. 6th year. 6. Alright. Now, if ever na tayo dumating ng time na 80, 85, 90, and 95, we are entitled for what we call centenarian bonus. Okay. The centenarian bonus will give you 500,000 4 times on top of the 120,000 yearly payout. Okay? So, bakit may centenarian bonus? Dati kasi, ang meron lang kay Sun Life is maturity benefit. But the client requested to have at least merong payout na makukuha by the time that they reach 80 years old. Kasi bibihira nga lang naman na nakaka-achieve ng 100 years old. So ito po, that's why we created centenarian bonus. Kami lang po yung merong ganito sa anumang insurance company. Alright? So, pagdating po natin ng year 2 ng policy, we also have what we call dividends. Yung dividends po natin, alright? So, year 2 natin siya makukuha. So, you have this option if you want to get it or have it accumulated. Ganun din po sa payout ninyo. Get it or ipon. Sa bawat iniipon nyo po na cash benefit po ninyo, meron po tayong 4.5% annual interest. Alright? Now, let's say for example, tayo nagkasakit at nagkaroon tayo ng life expectancy na 12 months or less. Alright? Meron tayong tinatawag ng living benefit. Alright? Yung living benefit na to, okay, this applies if yung life expectancy is 12 months or less. Alright? It's a guaranteed 2 million po siya. This is on top of the coverage that you have. Alright? Now, aside pa po dito, meron pa po tayong tinatawag na guaranteed cash value. Alright? Yan. This guaranteed cash value gives you a future na parang kang merong sariling bangko sa sarili mong policy. Bakit? This is something that you can loan from. So, loanable po ito. Alright? By the time na ma-set up naman po yung policy ninyo, ma-determine natin kung magkano yung amount na maloloan natin. Okay? So, ito po yung buong feature ng Secure Income. It covers death benefit for the life insurance and living benefit for the cash benefits na meron kayo. Now, allow me to correct myself. So, ito nga po. Sabi ko sa inyo, nung nag-usap tayo, for this kind of feature, 20,000 plus kung 10 years to pay. But as I do yung sample illustration, ito po yung yearly niya, 466,600 yearly i-divide natin sa 12, so 38,884. Doc Kadesh, kayo lang po yun talaga yung makaka-determine if this is something na mura or not so mura on your end. Now, if you want to stretch it ng 15 years, pwede naman. 336,000 yung yearly natin for 15 years. Divide natin siya sa 12, it's going to be 28,000 monthly. So, pwede po tayo magsimula via credit card. Kagaya ng pedya na client ko po, cash, na card naman to, or cheque. Ayan. So, OB naman po to. So, ayan. You have this kind of option po na pwede nyo panimula for this kind of plan. So, for this illustration po, ito po yung 15 years to pay per in. Let's say, for example, okay, after year 1, okay, pasok ng year 2 ng policy ninyo, ito na nga po siya. You have dividends. So, you have this option if you want to get it or have it accumulated. So, pag ina-accumulate po natin siya, naiipon po natin siya. On the end of the 6th year, meron tayong 120,000. Pwede nyo kunin, pwede nyo din pong ipunin. So, let's say for example, after 10 years, you want to purchase something. Maaring lote, maaring bagong kotse, maaring pampatay ng clinic. So, sa naipon nyo po na guaranteed payout, may 656,000 kayo, tapos 224,000 from your dividends. So, after a year, meron naman po tayong dividends, meron naman tayong guaranteed payout. Now, if the amount is still not sufficient to avail your purchases, meron naman po tayong 1.7 million na loanable from your guaranteed cash value para po masimulan yung mga life milestones po ninyo. Alright? So, as long as nabubuhay po kayo, guaranteed cash value applies, guaranteed payout applies, dividend will also applies, and at the same time, doon sa centenarian bonus. And the moment that you will be taken out of the picture, meron tayong 4 million na may iwan sa family. So, ayun po siya. So, if ever that you want to see the illustration in 10 years, pwede naman po, just let me know. And if you want to check also other options for our Sun Life plan, just like what Doc Rhea did before she decided na maging client ko po, we can also check other options here. I can recommend you po the best plan na suitable po sa inyo. Ayun po. Thank you, Doc Kadesh.